In the rapidly evolving world of mobile connectivity, 5G technology has emerged as a game changer, promising lightning-fast internet speeds and seamless connectivity like never before. However, even in areas with decent 5G coverage, various factors can lead to weak or unstable signals, hindering the full potential of this cutting-edge technology. That's where 5G signal boosters come into play, and Nikrans stands as the premier choice for amplifying your 5G signal and ensuring an uninterrupted high-speed experience. What are 5G signal boosters? 5G signal boosters, also known as repeaters or amplifiers, are devices designed to capture and amplify the existing 5G signal in your area and redistribute it throughout your desired space. These boosters work by receiving the weak signal from the nearest cell tower, amplifying it, and then rebroadcasting the amplified signal within your home, office, or any other location where you need improved coverage. By installing a 5G signal booster, you can enjoy seamless connectivity and lightning-fast internet speeds, even in areas with poor or weak cellular coverage. These boosters are beneficial for large buildings with thick walls, remote locations far from cell towers, or areas with high user density where the network can become overwhelmed. Moreover, 5G signal boosters are designed to be user-friendly and easy to install, making it convenient for residential and commercial users to enhance their mobile connectivity without needing complex setups or professional assistance. Why do you need a 5G signal booster? Even in areas with decent 5G coverage, various factors can cause signal degradation, such as building material. Structures made of concrete, metal, or other dense materials can significantly attenuate or block the 5G signal, resulting in poor reception indoors. Distance from the cell tower. The further you are from the nearest cell tower, the weaker the signal becomes, leading to slower data speeds and potential connectivity issues. Obstructions. Hills, trees, or other natural or man-made obstructions can interfere with the 5G signal, causing it to weaken or become unstable. High user density. In areas with a high concentration of 5G users, such as urban centers or large events, the network can become overwhelmed, leading to slower speeds and connectivity problems. A weak or unstable 5G signal can lead to frustrating experiences like slow data speeds, interrupted video streaming, dropped calls, and poor overall network performance. By installing a 5G signal booster, you can enjoy the full potential of 5G technology with seamless connectivity and lightning-fast speeds, regardless of your location or surrounding conditions. When it comes to 5G signal boosters, Nikrans stands out as the premier choice for several reasons. Wide range of 5G boosters. Nikrans offers a comprehensive selection of 5G signal boosters designed for various applications, from small apartments to large commercial buildings. Their BD series features innovative 5G boosters that enhance the signal of European, Asian, and American mobile operators, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of networks. Nikrans 5G boosters are equipped with cutting-edge features that set them apart from the competition. These include automatic gain control, AGC. This feature automatically adjusts the amplification level to ensure optimal signal strength without causing interference or oscillation. Sleep mode. To conserve energy, Nikrans boosters can automatically enter a low-power sleep mode when not in use, reducing energy consumption and extending the device's lifespan. Support for all signal types. Whether you need to boost 2G, 3G, 4G, or 5G signals, Nikrans boosters are designed to amplify all types of mobile signals, ensuring seamless connectivity across various networks and technologies. Quality and reliability. Nikrans takes pride in using advanced manufacturing technologies and rigorous quality testing to produce high-quality and reliable 5G boosters. All their products comply with CE and RoHS certifications, ensuring safety and health standards are met and providing peace of mind for users. Excellent customer support. With Nikrans, you can enjoy free pre- and after-sales support in multiple European languages, including English, French, Italian, Spanish, and German. Their highly qualified technicians are always available to assist you with installation, troubleshooting, or any other inquiries you may have. Warranty and reputation. Nikrans backs its products with a 3-year warranty, demonstrating its confidence in the quality of its 5G boosters. Additionally, the company has gained an excellent reputation among customers for its reliable and effective mobile signal amplification solutions, thanks to its painstaking research and commitment to innovation. Let's discuss the Nikrans product lines. Nikrans offers a diverse range of signal booster lines to cater to different requirements and applications, such as NS series. Designed in 2014 as a replacement for outdated models, the NS series boosters support the latest standards of mobile communication. With time, these boosters have evolved to include essential functions such as sleep mode for energy saving and automatic gain control for smart signal level adjustment. The NS series includes single, dual, tri, and pentaband boosters for all types of mobile signals. LCD series. Representing an advanced generation of mobile signal boosters, the LCD series features an informative LCD screen that displays major system data, installation guidelines, and error solutions. These boosters also offer useful features like automatic and manual gain control, standby mode, and the ability to support all signal types. MA series. The MA series is a standard line of boosters suitable for both personal and business purposes. These boosters are designed to improve mobile communication in various zones and locations, from small summer houses to large office buildings. BD series. The BD series consists of innovative devices designed to enhance the signal of European, Asian, and American mobile operators, including cutting-edge 5G boosters. These boosters are equipped with modern functions such as automatic gain control, sleep mode, and other model-specific features, ensuring optimal performance and energy efficiency. Across all series, Nikrans offers models for indoor use, such as homes, offices, and warehouses, as well as variants of mobile boosters for cars and boats, ensuring seamless connectivity in any environment. With over 100 models in their lineup and a constant drive for innovation, Nikrans is at the forefront of mobile signal amplification technology. As 5G networks continue to expand and evolve, Nikrans is committed to developing new and advanced solutions to ensure you stay connected no matter where you are. By choosing Nikrans, you not only gain access to cutting-edge 5G signal boosters, but also benefit from the company's wealth of experience and expertise in the field of mobile signal amplification. With a reputation built on quality, reliability, and exceptional customer service, Nikrans is the trusted partner you need to unlock the full potential of 5G connectivity. In the era of 5G technology, ensuring a strong and stable signal is crucial for enjoying the full benefits of lightning-fast internet speeds and seamless connectivity. Whether you're a homeowner, business owner, or a mobile professional, Nikrans has the perfect 5G booster solution to keep you connected at all times. Don't let weak signals hold you back from experiencing the true power of 5G. Upgrade your mobile experience with Nikrans and enjoy uninterrupted high-speed connectivity wherever you go. That is it from today's video. Let us know what you think about this video in the comment section below. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any future updates. Thank you all for tuning in. See you in the next one.